This is Xinhua Live. I'm Lola with Xinhua News Agency.
This is Celia, professor of Wuhan University and also an international video blogger from Guatemala.
Hi, I'm Chen Weiran, the head of brand department of Optics, Valley Dongzhi. Welcome.
Okay, as you can see, there are humanoid robots dancing here. And yes, now we are in the Hubei Humanoid Innovation Center. And today we are going to explore the center and try to find the secret behind the humanoid robots. How do humanoid robots work? And what makes them increasingly intelligent? Okay, let's begin. So I'd like to start by interviewing the robot Luming H1. So, hi Luming, could you please introduce yourself and tell us what you do?
Hello everyone, I am Luming HE, a humanoid robot developed by Optics Valley Dongzhi. As you can see, I can dance, give voice-guided tours, and chat with you to keep you entertained.
So what sets you apart from other types of robots?
I am a robot from Wuhan, Hubei. I won the first gold medal at the 2025 World Humanoid Games. I am a world champion.
Wow, it's an amazing machine, right? Hi, Celia. So have you ever been so close to a humanoid robot before?
I have seen some, but I still feel very impressed about robots because they develop very fast.
So what's your first impression about humanoid robots and what is it now?
So my first impression is that they will replace us sooner or later. And now that I'm watching this kind of human robot, I increasingly are certain of that.
Okay, I can't wait to continue our journey. So Weiran, we are seeing AI like deepfake everywhere these days. So have you applied AI to your robots now?
So actually we do, like we put the large language model here in Lumen head so he can understand what you are talking about and respond to you.
So what's the difference between maybe AI and humanoid robots?
I think that AI, we call this disembodied intelligence is just software, but our robot is called embodied intelligence. And I think that the most difference between them is that I can make an example. It's like you took a picture of that door and you ask AI what's behind that door. AI just guess what's in that door. But if you ask a robot what's behind that door, the robot will say, well, walk over and open the door and tell you the answer.
Okay, so wow, a whole world of robot parts. It is truly impressive. So what's the first component that catches your eye, Senior?
So I think the dexterous hand, because it says here that the dexterous hand is a main core of the robot. So for me, I feel very curious. So why is this so important?
The dexterous hands, for now, they may have like 6 to 22 active joints, and our Lumen have 6. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the more joints you have, the more complex movements you can make. And you can see like the whole wall, they have a lot of company here. Here's are the company from each part from the robot supply chain. And we want that in the future, everyone can locate it here in Optics Valley here.
Oh, it sounds like the dexterous hand is what gives it purpose.
Yes.
So we were covered the structure of the humanoid robots on the first floor. Now let's take the elevator up to the third floor. Here we have various real-life setups where humanoid robots undergo movement and data collection. Okay, let's go.
Yes, let's go.
So it's such a huge building, right? So how many floors are there and what makes them? What happens on each one?
Yes, actually in the whole center, they have 3 floors. And the first floor is our showroom. And in that area is the walking test area. And you can see it from the 3rd floor. And the 2nd floor is the academician team who works on the robot-related scenarios. And the third floor is our data collection area with 21 real-life training scenes. Let's go.
Oh, 21, that's a lot. So before we get here, I want to ask one question. And to be honest, some people worry that maybe it could become a little too advanced and the humanoid robots may take over, you know, like the sci-fi movies.
Yeah,
so
that's
what
true.
are your thoughts on this?
As for me, I think for now, robot is set by us, and all the their permissions are designed by us. So I think that it's more like super assistants. It's come to help us, not to replace us.
So
I
what
think
about
it could be
you?
possible. I remember when I was a child, I used to watch some science fiction movies, but I never imagined that I could see these robots like now, right? Like for me, it's really impressed that we can see robots like looks like persons.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. So now we are going to step into the center one, the supermarket. Wow, it's so amazing. So we can see the staff here is holding a remote control and to guide the robot in lifting the items from one location to the another. That's so cool. So what's the purpose of doing this?
Yes, what we're seeing here is called imitation learning. Like we put a person here and they hold the VR gear, and the robot is actually mapping the movements she do, and the robot can like record every single things from, like you can see the camera here, and here are all the cameras, and they can understand what he is doing. Yes.
So Rolly, how many repetitions, such as this grasping action, are performed every day, and how do you record this data?
Actually, we are recording from, like I said before, the camera and also the logs in the motors, and the camera is like what it sees, and logs in the motors is what it feels about the world.
Oh, just like we stumbled and practiced repeatedly. As infants, the humanoid robots are the same. They need to learn how to move like human and through repetitive actions over and over again.
Yes.
So this area is set as the cafe. We can see the humanoid robots here is being trained to serve coffee to our customers. Wow.
Wow, actually it's incredible. This bread looks like absolutely real, and even I think they recreated the smell. So
yeah,
like,
it's so real.
how many data flows in these kind of scenarios every day?
So actually in this building, we create about 2 terabytes of data a day. Yes.
Oh, it's like the compass of the robots to guide their way, okay? So look, we are stepping into the next scenario. We can see the robots, they are training here.
Yes.
So do you want to give it a try?
wanna try?
Of course, I would like to.
Okay, let's go.
Yes.
So,
Oh, hello.
hello. So,
How to use this?
Yes, this one is for the right hand, and you push here, and this for the arms, and you push here is the clicks here.
Okay.
So, and yes, you can use
both
hands.
Okay.
Yes.
you both be
I
very
will try,
sync.
okay?
Yes. So try to move this
Do you
bottle
think-
to the plant.
Do you think I will be
Okay.
able to do it?
I think you can do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's coming. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow, you are so good at this.
I think
Within
it's
1
so
minute, you are
interesting.
finished.
It's like, wow.
Wow.
Yeah. Very, very interesting.
Very good.
Very good. So how did it feel like, you know, in the trainer's seat?
I think it's very interesting. I would like to have one of these in my house.
Oh, okay.
So I think the robots will replace humans. So I'm really curious about what is the principal issue that you can face when you are developing this kind of human robots.
Actually, it's a very big questions for us. Like for now, you can see that we want to keep the robot work stable. So that's a very big questions. And he want to move like humans. That's the second one. The very hard question for us to solve. And the third one is that the battery. The battery for now, Lumen can only hold like for 3 hours. It's out of battery. But in the future, we want it to like change the battery by itself. Yes. And I think that's our future plan. And the fourth one is that he needs a very strong brain to control all its bodies. So that's the 4 very hard things for us now.
So do you think how long does it take for the robots to go from training to just do these actions independently?
So actually, what you see over here is our critical path. Actually, it's the first step to collect all the data, and then we will see what happens next.
Oh,
yes,
okay.
yes,
So
you can see
now
in these
we
scenarios.
are stepping into, oh, wow, the robots here are practicing such detailed daily chores here.
Yeah.
So like cleaning up shoes and folding laundry and just like really cleaning up the counters. That's so cool.
Yeah, this makes me feel like my dream of having a robot that helped me every day in my house with my house working. It will become like true earlier than I thought.
Yeah, imagine one day when you're going out a day of work and coming back, everything's done.
Yeah.
All the chores is finished without maybe a single time, single day. You never have to do chores again.
Yes.
Wow, that's
Yes,
amazing.
that's
So
amazing. That's my dream.
Yeah, so you can definitely free us many time and maybe.
Yes.
So I think what the past, just go from the robots from concept to reality.
So actually, what we see, the scenarios, we want the robot to learn from the scenarios, and then in the future, in the real life, we want to do the same things as they are doing here.
So next up, we are heading to the data cleaning up room, right?
Yes, let's see it.
Okay, so
So we have seen how it collects and checks all the data, but when you put it all together, what's the robot able to do with that?
So it's because robot is recording everything. Like if he misgrab, you grabbed very good, but robot may misgrab one. But he also record all the data in the data sets. So here, our workers will try to tell the robots which one is the right path.
okay, so any real life scenarios, can you show us later?
Yes, let's see. Here are some robots that we have already trained well, and he can do the things all by itself.
Oh, that's
Yes.
so cool. So I can't wait to see him.
Yeah, me
So, what are okay, let's step into the engineering. So why the human form? Can you explain?
So I think that the robot can do the things by itself is, I think, the first step. And I think that in the future, I want to do doing this thing and then doing that thing. It's like this. So right now we come here. This scenario is called pull the kettle and pour the water. And for now, I can put this glass anywhere in this table.
Oh, I can't pour in this.
Yeah, yes.
Ah.
He can find the glass.
So by
and
himself.
By himself. Nobody is
Nobody here?
controlling. Yes, nobody is
Ah.
controlling. You can see
Okay.
it's pour a perfect cup of tea.
That's great.
Ta-da! It's like
So
this.
when you come back from your work, you can say to the robot, prepare for me a cup of
Yes.
coffee. And when you
Yeah.
arrive to your house, you just get your coffee ready.
Enjoy your coffee.
That's
yes.
amazing.
Yes, and we can go to the next scenarios. This scenario is very special for us
Oh.
because our Lumen can write the Chinese character Fu, and it means that happiness. And after he done this work, I want to send this.
writing here.
Yes, I want to send it to Celia as a gift.
Thank you. Thank
Yes.
you.
Wow.
You can see like it's
Oh.
So sometimes it happens. Okay.
This what he learning here.
It's already done. He learned like how to move his pen, how to keep the paper stable here, and then it's the final work. Yes, and I want to send it.
Oh.
Yes, it's
Oh.
a little mess, but it's okay.
Thank
Celia,
you.
send it to you.
It's so beautiful. I love it.
Yes, it's Robert writing, you know.
Okay. So what
Okay.
is the greatest value, in developing humanoid robots right now?
So I think that the humanoid robot for us is like human shaped, like our world is designed for human, our tours, our buildings, like the robot in the human shaped is the easiest way for them to fit in our world. So I think it's
and
like
also
this.
I think maybe the human senior systems can adapt to our world is rapidly in the real tasks and environments. So it's also maybe a great model for us to do.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
so thank you so much
Oh,
today.
thank you.
Okay, it is what a journey it's been. Every repetition in these labs, every algorithmic trick is a step forward. It's in these moments that humanoid robots evolve, entering us more closer to the future we once only imagined. And we are confident that as humanoid robotics continues to advance, it will definitely reshape our human life in the future. And China is actively engaged in this transformative wave and has become a major driving force in this area of journey of innovation. Thank you for joining us today. See you next time.
Thank you. Bye-bye.